What's up, T&S family? We are back with another vlog. It's your girl Sera. Tuxx is unfortunately at work, but myself and the sister are actually headed off to a baby shower. So obviously by our outfits you can tell it is a girl, and the girl's baby shower that we are attending, she's one of our childhood like friends. We grew up with her in church. I've known her since she was a little girl. I cannot believe that she's having a baby, so we're excited. We're headed there now, and we hope that you enjoy this vlog. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below over here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and keep watching. Okay fam, so we just got here. We've parked up. Sass, oh, I brought the wrong gorilla pot, but that's okay. Okay, so I've just got Chris here. She's ready. We're gonna go one up and then we'll vlog when we're there. Also, FYI, my freaking eyelash is coming apart because I tried to curl it. Anyway, let's go.
Start off our program today. It's not much, but I just want to go through our introduction, house rules, just for those who are just showed up. So just the house rules: the toilets are out the door you guys came from. Just straight down that hallway, you'll find the toilets there. The food is ready, so help yourselves when you guys are. So for example, you can't say the word baby. Baby is like the forbidden word today. Example, so if you make somebody say baby, you take one of their pics. You can get your pic back by making someone else say baby. Person with the most pics at the end of the day wins a prize. Okay?
Hi everyone, we're here at the Blackman Hotel celebrating my daughter's baby shower, her first daughter. So I want to thank everyone for coming and hope everyone is going to enjoy themselves today and have a great day.
Okay, so we're measuring. Did I win? Okay, so we're measuring it to see. I think I won. I think I won. No, you're actually pretty close. Look, I'm close. No, guys. So I'm winning on the peg game, and I think I won this game. Fingers crossed.
Right, so the closest string to Amy's string was Sera. Guys, just give up. I've got one more peg.
Wow. Thank you, Sam. 3.
Ready, set, go!
Oh my God, stop, Masha! Okay guys, so I've got the sis here, introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Kay, I'm Amy's friend and the blues.
Okay, so we're gonna rate the fairy floss that they have here. This is how they wanted it, so we got it exactly like this. Show the end. Yeah.
Skinny.
Yeah, we need a skinny one. Yeah, exactly sis. Okay, let's give it a taste try.
Are you ready?
Bit chewy.
Okay, so what do you rate it?
Presentation, taste.
Be honest.
11. I give it 11.
Alright, what do you look like? Let's go!
maybe there's another game that I might like. And then I can't come back down.
Are you gonna fight?
I need to poo. Oh.
The way we're going to do the game is it's going to be one person at a time from each team. So we'll go team 1 first. You pick whatever one you want, Mona, and then you'll name whatever chocolate you think that is, and then we'll go team 2. Okay?
Team 1.
Yeah, so we'll go Mona first.
Lick it.
Smell it.
Yes, Mona, yes.
Is she right? What number is that?
1.
6.
Oh, sorry.
Let's go out. Oh, Papa doesn't eat chocolate, so she wouldn't know.
Yes, I do. This is running one.
Hell!
It's caramello.
Wait, what is that?
Caramello? 2.
Caramello, she said.
Absolutely wrong.
Where is the caramel?
Let's give you a It's cheating. It's got nothing. Yeah, it's got nothing.
Get it, Alan?
Yeah. For me and for tonight, I'm good.
Same with her. You have to lift it up.
What number?
Can you give me the vlog?
Dairy milk?
Oh, you're a bit dark.
Alright, Sarah.
Sarah, if you get it wrong, Sarah, if you get it wrong, show everyone.
Oh, look, it's dark.
Lick it. Lick more.
Oh my gosh, all on your lips. Is it? Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Dark chocolate.
What number?
5.
You're right.
Wait, come around here. Focus, man.
No, I have to get the Sarah.
The word is baby food.
Sarah's already started.
Alright. You ready?
Sarah.
Set.
Let's go, Sarah.
Go.
Ben. Baby food.
What is your? Can we see? Can we see? What the hell is that?
Look, as long as she got it.
For non-Samoan speakers, I just want to thank you all for coming to this baby shower. The MC was very successful. It was called on hand. Yeah. To give the Lord all the thanks and the glory. And thank you for coming.
I just want to say a little something. Thank you all for coming. Thank you to my family who helped me put this all together for you. Special thanks to CRICHTON for helping out with everything. I couldn't have done this without you. Thank you to all my family and friends for coming. I hope you guys had a good time. I definitely did. Thank you to all people who put this together. It was very successful. And yeah, just Thank you all, family, friends. God bless.
We love you.
Thank you guys for coming.
We getting it up?
Hey!
Oh, solid.
Okay fam, so the baby shower has finished. We're just collecting some food to take home, like her. But
Hey guys! Finished the day today. Shout out to T&S.
okay, yes.
That's my favorite channel. Love you guys.
Okay, good. And she watches our channel too. Okay, so my battery is flashing. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Shout out to our girl Amy. Thank you so much for inviting us to this beautiful event. We loved every minute of it. Thank you to the hosts, Takesha, Caroline, and Baina. You guys did an awesome job. One of my eyelashes is falling off. That's how much fun I had. Anyways, thank you for the feed. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for my winnings. And yeah, we love you. Thank you, sis, for having us. Thank you for letting the T&S family be here.
You know what? You're welcome. You're welcome.
Shout out to Amy and her partner for this beautiful blessing. Make sure you go down in the comment section and type congratulations, Amy. We love you, T&S. Love you, T&S. Put me on the mic, no chill. I wanna be like Michael Scofield, not Jordan, not Jackson. Whatever town with an accent. I'm back in, I'm better. Stitched up in Montana. Nah, nah, nah. M1 to me. Tell him I'm off. Tell him I'm too straight up. Steven! I got the blueprint! Okay, we're going home now. For real. Bye. Like, comment, share, and subscribe!
If you like it, subscribe.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.